In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on or turn off the translating feature on Brave browser. So if you feel that your Brave browser pages are automatically translated into some other languages, or it's continuously popping you up to show the option of translating into a particular language, and you want to disable or enable that feature, maybe just click on this 3 lines or the hamburger icon and go right at the corner at the bottom, click on settings. And then on the left side, you can see this languages option, click on that. And if you want to enable or disable the use Brave translate feature, it says when on, Brave translate will offer to translate sites into preferred languages, and preferred languages are selected right here. So let's say that you are visiting an Arabic website or a Spanish website, it will automatically pop you up and show that do you want to translate it into an English language or whatever preferred language that you have selected. But if you just want to enable or disable that feature, just click on toggle that off or toggle that on, and translate languages into, you can set it to any language you want, and you can also add multiple languages if you want to offer new languages as well on the page. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.